what we are making now? Something interesting for the kids and adult as well.
Yes.
Mm.
Now a cheese ball
Mm-hmm.
with corn.
Mm-hmm.
It is a boiled
Mm-hmm.
corn, but cool down.
Mm-hmm.
One potato,
Mm-hmm.
some Italian mix seasoning,
Mm-hmm.
garlic powder,
Mm-hmm.
chili
Flakes. Mm-hmm.
and oats
And
salt.
Uh-huh.
And this is their favorite cheese cubes.
I see. Lemon cubes. Okay, great. Lemon cubes.
So now we will start making this.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to grind this one.
Okay. Grate the potato now. Boiled potato. So how long you boil the corn?
This is a frozen corn, we get it in a
this is-
welcome, but I put it in hot water for
I
5
see.
minutes
Uh-huh.
and then I drain it,
Mm-hmm.
so it's a little soft.
Mm-hmm.
So in this we are putting some garlic powder, half a spoon,
Mm-hmm.
and seasoning.
Yes. So it's what, 1 spoon?
Yeah,
Okay.
and chili flakes also depend how the taste people like it. And our oats.
Spoon.
And salt. Ball
Mm-hmm.
in this appam pan.
Okay.
Very less oil
Mm-hmm.
and easy. With the slow gas, it's the cheese. I open, use brush, and I put little oil. This you take the ball like
Okay.
put one cheese here.
Cube. Okay. Cover it.
Cover nicely all side.
I see. Okay. So do you need to cover this?
Aye, little bit. You just brush it one more time, like okay. Not too much.
Just couple of drops.
I'll cover for 2-3 minutes, and then we can turn it. One day, like moong dal and quinoa dhokla, and I saw with my friends, and they never find out what is there. They so I said, okay, guess what is there. They said, okay, some dal is there, but maybe you put this, maybe you put that. I said, no, the dal is moong dal, and I use quinoa, and both in same quantity. And then I steam it and I gave it. I said, okay, you guys eaten besan dhokla or anything so many times, so let's start with quinoa dhokla.
Oh, that's a good innovation. That's a nice idea. Thank you.
You can use it if you don't have breadcrumb. No, don't worry. Use the oats. Sometimes, if you see some mixture getting very watery, just take a handful of oats and put it in there. Keep it for some time. Then you can see all the water is absorbed by oats. And you can make, like sometime you make bada or that pakoda or something like that. No, you can use the oats.
Oh, good idea for us. Yes, great. Thank you.
I use lot of in my other cooking and other thing. I put oats for binding things better than potato and breadcrumb.
Oh yes, that's a good substitute. Yes,
Yes.
healthy also.
Healthier
Yes,
also.
yes, thank you.
So
That's a good tip for us. Thank you.